Hello everyone!
We have arrived in Nessebar.
And we're going to the old town. What
Stay-
adventures on a new adventure!
Stay with us to discover together Nessebar.
Watching the adventures on a new adventure.
Let's visit together Old Town Nessebar. Nessebar is an ancient city and one of the major seaside resorts on the Bulgarian Black Sea Coast, located in the Burgas Province. UNESCO included Nessebar in its list of World Heritage Sites in 1983. We have here the plan of the old town Nessebar. Here is a place where the kids can have fun. The streets have the same old pavement for a long time, as you can see in the images. Nessebar is a town with a rich cultural history. You can find here a lot of beautiful souvenirs, and most of them are handmade. A nice playground for the kids. We found a nice restaurant with a beautiful view of the Black Sea. We are in Nessebar Old Town
Bulgaria.
in Bulgaria. Yes.
New adventure.
New adventure, beautiful day, sunny day at the Black Sea. Our lunch with the view. And the little one is playing with the toys. We've had a great lunch, and now we will go and see a last part of the old town, Nessebar.
We have to go in that direction.
We can still see the old fortification walls that remain standing after so many years. Adventure in Nessebar is at the end.
This is our adventure at Nessebar.
Old Town. If you liked our videos, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.